Hi everyone, this is David here, and on this occasion I'm here to guide you on how to make some stunning visuals for your websites, your Facebook pages. It could be Facebook posts, it could be pretty much anything you like. Okay, so we're going to show you. I made this one pretty much yesterday and it looks great. I think it's fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to do all this, and we're going to use some free tools. Okay, none of this is going to cost you any money to do. Alright, so the first thing we're going to pop along to is obviously ChatGPT, and I have the free version. Okay, and we're going to ask ChatGPT to provide us with some image prompts. Okay, now I'd made a prompt earlier and it worked very, very nicely, so we're going to copy it up again. So it's a very simple prompt. Okay, I have a website which I will give you details for shortly. Once I give you the details, I would like you to create 3 image prompts for the website. Okay, nice simple prompt. We'll copy it here. We'll go and feed it into ChatGPT, and we hit that, and ChatGPT sure love provide me with the details of your website. Okay, now since Jeff Lord is my partner in wizardry, he has a website called marketingtutor.com. okay, and as you can see, it looks a little bit outdated. Could probably do a little spruce up, so we're going to do this primarily for Jeff Lord right now. So as ChatGPT said, just waiting for the details. Go to the website. Okay, here we go. Just copy the website. Hang on, is there any more? There's a bit more down here. Okay, there we go. Right, don't have to worry about all the email submits and the images. Okay, just copy that. Go to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT the details of the website, and off it goes. And here comes ChatGPT. Okay, so here are 3. You can ask it for more if you want. You can ask it for several different image prompts. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one. An image of winding road stretching into the horizon with signposts labeled point A and point Z. At either end along the road are various obstacles and challenges symbolizing the journey of navigating the world of internet marketing. This image represents the idea of following a clear roadmap to success. Okay, and it's even got my name and Jeff Lord's name in there. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, we'll take the whole thing. All right, now the next place you want to actually go to, okay, and if you're not using this, you're a bit daft. All right, it's totally and utterly free. Go here. Okay, so it's designer.microsoft.com image creator. You can put Google search in if you want to find it. All right, get yourself an account. All right, so it's nice and easy to do, and describe the image you'd like to create, paste it in. Okay, so there you go, and we're going to generate, and away it'll go, and it'll start generating images for us to decide on whether we like the images or not. We'll take a quick look. Takes what, a minute or so, maybe 2, to generate this stuff. But at least there you go. So those are little images that based on the image prompt, all nice and lovely. Okay, and probably what would we look at? Point A, point Z, blah blah blah, winding roads. Let's have a little look at this one. All right, so there you go. Now as you can see, none of the image creators I've come across yet, okay, but this is one of the best. Okay, can really do these kind of text into the images. All right, not great, So maybe we want to look at another one. Let's look at this one. Point A, blue. Okay, there's another one here. This one would probably be more suitable. Okay, that's quite a cool one. Okay, so we'll just choose that one for now, and from there you can actually download that image if you wish to. I don't want to. What we actually want to do is go and create a design from it. Okay, so we'll go and create a design, and it'll open up in Designer. Okay, and it'll bring the media in that we're playing with right there. Okay, and now you can pretty much tell it what you want to do with this image. Okay, so let's put this on. I need a banner for a website of dimensions. Okay, now dimensions, we'll have to go over here and see what Jeff Lord has actually got on his, so his image is there. So I'm just going to try and get the image dimensions, and we'll go there. So that's 900 by 220. Okay, so we'll go 900 by 220, and let's see if this will generate us a nice little banner of those kind of dimensions. And away it goes. Okay, so it's got all the different kind of designs you might want to put as your banner. Website banner. You can actually put all sorts of stuff in here. Okay, well, we could probably choose what would be nice. Let's have a little look. We could probably do something like that. Okay, and you can go and customize the design even further, and what you can do with it, right? And there's even more selections in here if you want to change it from that to something different. I quite like what we've got there. Let's have a little look at this one. Little stars on it, no problem. So you can change all of these things. Okay, so you can change the text in here. Okay, we'll change the text. Actually, when I can grab hold of it, there we go. Oh, there we go. So we'll just delete this away, and we'll go marketing tutor. Just like that. We can actually make it a little bit longer, so marketing tutor will come onto one line quite nicely, just like that. And customize your sort of stunning banner. Let's see if Jeff has actually got something which we let's see if we can find something that we can put in here. There we go. Simply follow our lead and we'll get you from point A to point C. So we can actually we will get you from point A to point C. Alright, go back into the designer. We can go in here, in here, and we can highlight all this just like that. Get that last bit, and we can paste into it. Actually, can I paste into it? Paste. Alright, we'll try a Control V in there. There we go. So we will get you from point A to point Z. Okay. And what we will do is we will center that up. There we go. There you go. Nice simple banner to play with. I want to block that. Okay, and you can download that if you wish to as well. I might download it for Jeff. Let's give it a go. PNG. Okay, download it, and we will put marketing tutor banner. Save it and close. Alright, so if you were wondering whether things, you know, you could make things different, actually I would probably put that through another image thing and probably crop it just to show that bit rather than the black surround. Okay, so let's try one of the others just for fun. Okay, so we're in the image creator, we'll close it. Okay, and let's try one of the others from ChatGPT. A split image showing the version with one side depicting, I don't know if I like, look, an old weathered treasure map with markings and annotations to 𝐭𝐫𝐞𝐻, enterprise, okay, marking tutor. Okay, let's see what that does. We'll copy that, we've got it there, we'll just paste it in, and let's see what it will generate for us. This is just a little bit of fun now. But like I said, all of these things are free. Simple prompt for ChatGPT. Scrape whatever words you want off of your website, and pretty much away you go. Now I've been doing, ooh, look at that. Goldie's gold mine. Ooh. That looks a bit weird, but I do. Oh no, that's got double DIES in it, so maybe I wouldn't use something like that. But as you can see, it'll generate images for you all day long. All right, simple process. ChatGPT, and I've been using this with lots and lots of different things. I did write one the other day for this Crystal eco-friendly hosting thing. I can probably say in here. From the information you have about Crystal hosting, please provide. See, I always say please. You don't have to, but I use ChatGPT like a friend of mine. Please provide 3 image prompts to convey the information. Let's see what that does. And away it goes. Here we go into prompt 1. Okay, lots of things in here. Solar panels, wind turbine, Crystal logo. Oh yeah, Crystal does use renewable energy, so you could do that. An image showing stopwatch light and bolts and speed. Reliability. Okay, let's give this a little go. Oh, it's even got a caption here. We'll take the caption as well. All right. Again, let's see what this pumps out at us. Doesn't take very long. I know this video is getting on a little bit, but I just want to show you how diverse you can be using this method. It's great. It really punches out some cool little images. Let's see what it's going. Oh, nice. I like it. Stopwatch here. Look at this. It's even put experience lightning fast speed and rock solid reliability with Crystal hosting. Look at that. You wouldn't want much more than that. Okay, it hasn't figured that out quite, but again, once you start playing with the designer, you can actually overwrite some of this and do it again. And there you go. Simple prompts, simple creations. Use the designer. You can do all kinds of wonderful designs in here. Let's see if I can show you one I made earlier. Has it got my designs? Where's my designs? I had my designs earlier. Let's see if I can find it. Image creator. Okay, does it have my designs? Oh, my projects, recent projects. So this one I actually did a little earlier. Okay, it'll open up. There you go. This is going to actually depict myself and Jeff Lord as wizards, because we come from buffer site wizard I know we've been doing it a long time. Okay, great image. Obviously this is Jeff Lord because he's older than me, but funny how the image creator put glasses on both of us, because I'm pretty sure we both wear glasses. So this is a very young looking me, okay, with the blue orb, and here's an older looking Jeff with his mad triangular hat, okay, with his golden orb. There you go, simple as that. I shall leave it there for you guys, and we'll see you soon.